Good evening, everyone. I'm Ankit Rajak. I'm from Shahdoll, Madhya Pradesh. I'm doing my post graduation from Ramchandran International Institute of Management, Pune. And currently, I am doing my internship in inSAKE Solution. So, inSAKE Solution is inSAKE Solution gives financial services to the customers, and inSAKE Solution is very good company which provide us opportunities and experience in the field of finance. inSAKE Solution also provide opportunities in experience in financial modeling, technical analysis, and other field. In this internship, I learned many things like how to engage with Excel, how to solve the problems in PowerPoint, how to solve the financial modules and formulas in the Excel sheet. Every day we have a meeting in 8 p.m. with our mentor. Our mentor is Sai Sethi sir, which is providing us opportunities, and we learn many things from him. He is also providing us with the knowledge which we gain from him. So this is, thank you.